Welcome back. You may notice a little difference if you've seen a couple past videos. My background's a little different. I've actually moved and trying to get set up here. Obviously still not quite finished, but I'm in the process. What do they say? Please pardon our progress or something like that. Well, this is a good thing. So hopefully it'll look nice as we move forward. I want to show you how to modify the quick access toolbar. I'm pretty sure you've used it because you go up there and that's where you click save and maybe you click print there. You can put any command you want, even macros you've written yourself on it, and I use that a lot. Now, so I'm actually on a bona fide Mac. Now I'm a long time Windows and PC user. Matter of fact, I've been using PC since in the DOS days, and actually even before that, I used it way back. And if anybody's ever interested, you can ask in the comments, and I'll let you know how far back I go. I actually bought a MacBook Pro just for this series, and plus I want to make sure everything I'm telling you is accurate, and that's one of my goals, is to make sure this is all relevant and accurate. So I wanted to do some stuff specifically on PC and on Mac, and after buying this and seeing the differences, I'm really glad I did this, because they're not near as close to setting up as I would like, as far as going through it on Word. So I wanted to on some of these, do a version for PC and a version for Mac, and today is the version for Mac for the quick access toolbar. So how do we do this? Well, first we go to Word, Preferences, and then Ribbon and Toolbar. Now, I don't want to belabor it because I've actually talked about this a little bit in another video, but we have a place on the left here where we choose commands. Often I'll just select all commands, but you can select specific commands on ribbons if you want to narrow it down. On the right, we have customize the ribbon. Now, this is a separate video. I talked about adding custom tabs to the ribbon. You can also reorder stuff, add, subtract commands as you wish. Today, we're really focused on the quick access toolbar. Now, the machinery is basically the same. I click this little tab, quick access toolbar. So again, on the left, I have popular commands. I'm going to select all commands. I'm going to select macros because I'm going to add a custom macro to my quick access toolbar because I've written it and I want it up there. Now, in this case, I'm doing it for your benefit. So I actually have different macros on mine, but over here I have the quick access toolbar. You can see it as autosave, home, and these other commands here. Now I'm going to scroll down here toward the bottom where I have a vertical pagination macro, one that allows me to reset. I'm really kind of particular about how my screen is set as I'm writing. So I wrote a macro to make sure that it sets it where I want it. So I'll add that one. Now, this is a long bit of nonsense. Don't worry about the name here. I will give it a pretty icon. So I'm going to give it this little icon here. Makes it look like a centered little monitor. So close everything out and notice up here I have my little monitor for my vertical page scroll center. Now, so what I'll do is I'll mess my screen up and then I will click that. Boom! It goes right back there. I love that kind of stuff. Now, I actually tie that into some other macros I've written. So as I set a bookmark, it automatically resets the page. Now, you can also access the same menu using these little ellipses at the right side of the quick access toolbar. You can choose from some of the common commands by checking or unchecking them, or you can choose more commands at the bottom. That brings us to the same menu as before, so I'll close that out now. Now, like I said, this is mostly just to show you that you can do it, but any command you want to put, it's right there, one click away. And those little things, I love that kind of stuff. Just something that saves me a few seconds of time, because those seconds add up to minutes and hours, maybe even days over the course of a novel. So real simple today. I wanted to show you how to modify the quick access toolbar. Take advantage of that because it will save you time putting your own commands, either macros you've written or commands you use a lot. Put it right there, one click away, as opposed to having to drill it through the menu. The ribbon. So that's actually it. Real short and sweet today. I'll let you get back to your writing or whatever else life is demanding of you right after you finish this video. Hopefully you'll use this, and if you do, let me know in the comments. I'd like to see what you put up there compared to what I put up there.